I wasn't a normal kid growing up. When I was 12, I wasn't twiddling my pickle and playing video games. No, I was too busy running shit. I had my own lawn service that I had in the suburbs of every major city, making me about $10 million a year. And we had a big problem with a bunch of thieves and gang members stealing and robbing from all of my employees. So what we did was, when I found out who the gang was, I hit them up. I said, drop your location, because I'm going to pull up. I'm going to get my money back, or I'm going to get it back in blood. They thought I was some kid and thought it was sauce, so they said, pull up. And you would think that we had a controller and headset the way me and my guys pulled up into the war zone. Now, they had their cute little pistols and drakes, but they weren't ready for me to bring out a bazooka and blow up every single one of them. I blew up their entire gang. I shot at all their cars. I shot at their entire building. I think I accidentally killed somebody's grandma. I'm not even going to lie. Somebody was just walking their dog, but she was in the way. She shouldn't have been in the war zone.